Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video of this channel. In today's world, AI is making our life incredibly easy, from generating reports in few clicks to automating complex tasks. But what if I told you there are powerful, often overlooked features in Excel that can make your reporting even easier and quicker? So don't go anywhere, stay tuned because in this video we are going to look into one of those features. In the last video, I have showed you how to use VStack feature to club the values available in different tabs in Excel and merge into a single tab. If you haven't watched the video, I will ping the link in the description. Go and check it out. In this video, we will be looking into another Excel feature called Slicer. So Slicer can be used as a replacement for the filter that we generally use in our Excel for our daily reporting activities. So to begin with the video, let's say we have a data or report in which we have a student details studying in different location. So for this video, we have taken the detail of the student studying in Bangalore, Delhi and Pune location. Now, what if I have to get the detail of student studying only in Bangalore location? Then we generally use the filter tab and we select only Bangalore option and click on apply to get the detail of all the students studying in Bangalore location. Similarly, if we want to get the detail of students studying in Delhi location, we uncheck the Bangalore location, click on Delhi and click on apply to get the detail of the student studying in Delhi location and so on. Now, what if the data is huge and selecting and deselecting become frustrating and annoying? So don't get frustrated and annoyed. Instead, use a slicer feature in Excel to get the job done easily. Now, how to use the slicer option? Click on any of the values in the tab and press Ctrl Alt T. This will convert all the values in this tab into tabular format. Press OK. Now you can see all the values in this tab has been converted into tabular format. Now if you go to the table design option, you can find an option called insert slicer. So click on that. So you get all this option available. Now based on the slicer you need, you will be selecting that option. So for this video, we need the slicer option based on location. So I will select location and click OK. So now here is my slicer available. Adjust as per your requirement and now you see the magic. Now if you need only student detail for Pune location, just click on Pune and you can see all the student details studying in Pune location. Similarly, if you need Delhi location, just click on that and here the student details studying in Delhi location. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more technical videos like this.